All right, guys, so today we are looking at some more Phone Rebel cases for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Now, this is the Crystal series, and a huge shout out to Phone Rebel for sending these cases over to me, as well as some other really cool accessories that we're going to be taking a look at in this video for review for you guys. So thank you so much to Phone Rebel. Now, let's go ahead and get into it. So I have been using the black one actually for the last couple days, and of course, same consistency as Phone Rebel always provides. Everything pretty much the same. You know exactly what to expect with these cases. So let's go ahead and stop talking and get into it. Now, on the back, basically all the same stuff. You've got that crazy grip. You've got that anti-shock absorption material, that TPE inside of there. You've got the great buttons, the great camera ring, that 2.75D screen protector that's included with it. And you guys pretty much know all the rest. You've seen these cases before. They never miss. So let's go ahead and open them up and take a look. Now, starting off with the black one, this is the one that I've actually been using. I gave it a nice little wipe down before we shot this video. But here is the phone case itself. Set that to the side for a second. And here we have our screen protector as well as that installation kit. So awesome for, Phone Rebel, always including the screen protectors in the packaging. It's a one-stop shop for this case. You buy it one time and it comes with everything you need. So let's go ahead and put this one over here for right now, and we'll take the white one out of the packaging as well. Now, the white one I actually haven't even opened yet, so let me see if I can pop that open real quick. All right, so they're a little bit stiff the first time you open it, so bear with me for a second. All righty. And here we have the white one with the silver hardware. Now, also basically same screen protector in here. Nothing else is different with that. So we'll put that all over here as well as the packaging. Now on the white one, you get this nice light colored metal, almost like a natural titanium looking camera ring for that. And you get the white MagSafe ring, as well as the natural titanium looking buttons. And on the black one, you get the original gunmetal ring and the gunmetal buttons with that black MagSafe ring and alignment magnet. So let's go ahead and take our scale over here and we will weigh it. And then we'll take a look at how thick it is, talk about the cases, we'll get into the other accessories, all that fun stuff. So the Black Crystal series, we are looking at 46 grams, just to weigh the white one as well. Also 46 grams, so exact same weight, of course, as expected on those cases. And moving over to our caliper, let's go ahead and, now we're in inches, I'm gonna switch it back over to millimeters. And here we are looking at 11.3 millimeters thick on this one, and pretty much the same thing on this one here. So 11.3 millimeters thick on from the front to the back, and looking at side to side, you're looking at 3.4 millimeters thick on that one. So very nice right there. Alrighty, so set that off to the side. These cases, again, not too thick, not too thin, but you're gonna get that great grip, all of that fun stuff. So we talked about the back a little bit. On the back, it is completely clear. So, it is going to get a little bit of smudging on there, but that's kind of what you can expect on a clear case, especially not a frosted one, which, by the way, if you guys don't know, Phone Rebel does have frosted cases as well, and I've done a video on those. Excellent cases as always. But this one clear, you do kind of get a little bit of fingerprinting on there, but it's not too big of a deal. Again, guys, it's a phone case. It's meant to get some fingerprints. So I know you guys are going to attack me in the comments for that one, but it is what it is. Alrighty, so basically that is the back of the case. On the inside, you're going to get that Phone Rebel MagSafe magnet with the alignment magnet right there. It does say Crystal Series. And around your camera ring, you're going to get those 4 little screws because, of course, these are interchangeable. The buttons are interchangeable. The camera ring is interchangeable. And not on this one, but on the regular Gen 5, this Rebel logo right there is interchangeable, which, by the way, on the bottom of this case, you do see it is just printed a little bit right there. You do get a little Rebel logo right there. Now, taking a look around the inside of the case, it is that same TPU material as on the sides, and you get that TPE material shock absorption on the inside on all 4 corners. So you guys know you can definitely drop this case, and it's gonna protect your phone. This is one of those cases that, like, if you know you're going out to a party or you're gonna, going out somewhere outdoors, maybe not necessarily the Crystal one, but a Phone Rebel, absolutely. This is that protective case. It's gonna give you that great shock absorption, drop protection, all that fun stuff, as well as a screen protector. So enough blabbering, let's actually get to the main event and put our iPhone in here. So let's listen out for that click. Wow, nice click onto the case itself right there. as per usual, that great fit from Phone Rebel. Taking a look at those corners. 1, 2, nice click there. 3, and 4. Excellent, excellent fit on this case. You definitely don't have to worry about the fit on this one. Now, taking a look at that camera and screen protection, first of all, I want to start off with the sides, top and bottom, which Phone Rebel always thinks about us, and they make sure that you get easy swiping right here from the bottom, the top, and the sides right there, which, by the way, looking at that screen protection, you can kind of see that it is raised right here on the corners, but the bottoms and the sides are there for easy, nice, comfortable swiping. But you can absolutely feel free to set this down on its screen. Because of those raised corners right there, you have no issues with that whatsoever, worrying about it scratching up your screen. By the way, I am using a screen protector, a tempered glass screen protector, on my phone. So as you can see, nice proper screen lip right there. And moving to the camera, as always, Phone Rebel gives you ample amount of camera lip protection. So you definitely can set that on any surface and you'll be good to go. As well as you do get those little legs right there for the camera so it doesn't rock when you are using this case. Only, actually not even really right there. If you see, I'm pushing down right there, here, only on that one corner, but you do get a pretty big camera bump, so that is what it is. But definitely don't have to worry about anything getting scratched up with this case. So taking a look at the sides of it, on the top, if you guys can see right there, you do get a little bit of Rebel branding. Coming around to the left-hand side, you have your action button, volume up and down, and crazy good grip. So if you've got, some greasy hands, you just got finished eating something, whatever, you can pick this thing right up and definitely don't have to worry about it slipping out of your hand. Speaking of the buttons, though, let's go ahead and listen to how they sound. Excellent, excellent buttons on Phone Rebel. That's something you can always expect with Phone Rebel's buttons. They're going to click great every time, and you can absolutely feel them. They're nice and pronounced. Now, moving along to the bottom of the case, you do have your accurate microphone and speaker cutouts, as well as that USB Type-C port, and that's the only issue I really ever have with the Phone Rebel anymore, is that I just wish that we had a little bit more space for the USB Type-C, because it's a little bit tighter than what I would like it to. So some of your thicker head cables may not fit in there as well as you would like. So Phone Rebel, I would like to see that just a little bit widened, not too much, maybe a millimeter or so, and it'll be good to go right there. So my anchor cable does fit in there, which is a little bit of a thicker head cable. So not too much of a problem, but I still would like to see that widened a little bit. And moving over to the right-hand side, again, that crazy grip right there, and your power button here. So very nice fit on this case, great buttons. Let's go ahead and take a look at that MagSafe. And don't worry, I will slap this one on my phone just so you guys can take a look at what it looks like on the black titanium version. We'll get to that here shortly. But I already know what to expect with Phone Rebel's MagSafe. Let's go ahead and start off with our Apple MagSafe wallet. Here we go, MagSafe animation. And of course, you can sit here all day long, move this wallet left and right, up and down, no problems with that because you got that absolutely incredible MagSafe on the Phone Rebel. And it's almost kind of hard to get your accessories off of there. That's how good that MagSafe is. Moving along to our Apple MagSafe battery pack. There we go right there. And of course, sit here and shake it. I don't even have to do this too much because you guys know what it is. You've seen these videos before. Phone Rebel's got some of the best MagSafe in the game, and nothing different with this one. This Apple MagSafe battery pack isn't coming off at all. So great MagSafe on this one. And moving along to our Anker 623. Let's go ahead. Which side is it? There we go. All right. And as you guys know, it's going to pick up the bass. And you can shake it. You can give it a pretty decent shake. More of a shake than most other cases. And it's not coming off at all. You got to really give it a little bit of a shake for that to come off. And going to our 360-degree rotation test, you're sitting here typing an email, scrolling through TikTok or Instagram, Facebook, whatever your preference is, Twitter or X, whatever you guys want to call it. There you go. No issues whatsoever. You want to go over to YouTube and watch your favorite Brian's Tech video. Here you go. You can click around, write a little comment, leave a little like. You know what it is. Go ahead, tap it, tap it, tap it, tap it, tap it, and you are good to go on any side. So, of course, 360-degree rotations, no problems whatsoever. Let's try that again here, just so you guys can see that. there you go. No issues whatsoever with that. So, you know, I mean, what are we talking about here? This is some of the best MagSafe in the game, and it takes a good bit for that to come off. So with all that being said, the Phone Rebel, while we talk about it, let me switch to the white one here. It does come in black and white, so here are the two options it does come in for the Crystal series. Let's go ahead and slap the white one on here, just so you guys can see what that looks like. Now, it is a little bit of a tight fit, but that way you know this thing isn't coming off if you drop it. So the white one, that's what we're looking like. So that looks pretty good too. I personally think that the black one looks better with the black titanium phone, of course, but if you've got the white one or the natural titanium, this is the way to go. This thing will look amazing with your phone. This is what it kind of looks like around with the buttons, and let's listen to those buttons too. Great buttons. Everything is the same with this one. Just to test it out, same MagSafe strength. Everything is really good. So definitely nothing to worry about that. Now, the black and the white one are both $44.99 on Phone Rebel's website, and I believe you can also find them on Amazon as well. Both of those will be linked down in the description below, as well as everything else we're going to talk about. Make sure you guys check those out down below. But this does come with their new Gen 3 glass on both of them, of course. So great glass screen protector. $44.99, you're getting an amazing case, great MagSafe, great protection, customizable buttons and camera rings and everything like that, which we're about to take a look at. I mean, one-stop shop, $44.99 on that one. I can absolutely recommend the Phone Rebel Gen 5 Crystal series without a doubt. These may be some of the best clear cases for the iPhone that you can even buy because of how great this thing is. So I'm calling it right now, probably one of the best, if not the best, clear case for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. But let's go ahead and set the cases off to the side right here for a second. And let's start off with some of this other stuff. So first of all, let's talk about this 45-watt dual USB-C car charger. So this thing is gonna run you $11.99. Not bad at all. 12 bucks on this one. You're gonna get 45 watts of charging, 2 USB-C ports, like I said, and it is an all-metal design. So overcharge protection, compact design, zinc alloy composition, and 45-watt fast charge. Let's go ahead and pop this one out of here real quick. Ooh, I'm glad that didn't go flying. Let's get this out of here for a second and take a look at it. All right, here we go. Oh, okay, so right there, you do get it in some plastic. So let's start off and just take a look at what it looks like here before we take the plastic off. So you've got your little 2 pins right there. You've got a little handle for it. Let me actually just go ahead and pull this off real quick. All right, here we go. So here are your dual USB-C ports, and you do get this little handle right here. Let me see if I can get that to come up. Oh, here it is. Okay, it's even smaller than I thought. So you get that little handle right there. That way you can pull it up, push it back into your car charging port, but it also doesn't interfere with the USB-C charging whatsoever. You just kind of flip it back down, and there you go. So all metal construction on this one, very nice and compact. Might even sit flush with your car charging port, the cigarette lighter port, and then if you want to pull it out, you don't have to try to fish it out from the sides. Just push that up, pull it right out, and you're good to go. So really nice little USB-C dual car charger right there. Like I said, the price on this one is $11.99. You'll be good to go picking one of these up if you want to charge it up in the car, and you're getting that 45-watt fast charging. So that's always nice to see. Set that here for a second. All right, now let's go ahead and get into some of this hardware. So starting off with the first one. Now I'm not sure what colors these are just yet. Let's talk about them while we do it. So this one is gonna come in gunmetal, which is the regular, one that comes on your Phone Rebel Gen 5, the Crystal. This is the normal, traditional, default, whatever you wanna call it, the gunmetal buttons and camera ring right there. And this one we're looking at here is, let's see. All right. Oh, okay. So here are some screws that come with it. So if you lose one from your original camera ring, don't worry about it. Phone Rebel's got you covered with some extra screws. All right. Now this one is going to be, looks like the same. Oh no. All right. So this one is the natural titanium version. I was a little bit wrong. This one is the matte silver on the Gen 5 white series, the white version of it. This is the matte silver buttons and camera ring. I apologize about that. Here we have the natural titanium. So here's your camera ring right there and your buttons that come with it. Now the price on these, hold on, let me flip it the other way. There we go. The price on these for the full kit, which you get the little bottom piece in case you have the Gen 5, you get your 4 buttons from the case, and you get your camera ring. And all for that is $16.99. So not too bad, 17 bucks if you want to customize the color and the look of it. Not bad at all on these. The price-wise, that's actually a pretty good price, especially for how good quality these are. Full metal, easy, great buttons. I definitely recommend picking some of these up if you're someone who likes to change your case around, switch it up a little bit. Me, I like the way that this black one looks already, so I'm going to keep it this way, I think. But let's go ahead and take a look at the next set. So all of these are $16.99 each. So let's see. And sometimes Phone Rebel has sales on their site or on Amazon, etc. So you can definitely find some other stuff here. Ooh, here we go. Here we go. I like this one. This might actually go on this black one right here. But again, some more screws. So very nice. And then we have our ultra orange camera ring, the buttons, and your little Rebel logo for the Gen 5. So really nice to see that. Let me set these all up nice so you guys can see them here. Let me flip this around. Here we go. Boom. All right. Ultra orange. Sorry, it's a little bit crooked. I know. That's all right. But so natural titanium, ultra orange. And let's see what we have here. All right. And finally, last but not least, I bet you're thinking it's some more, accessories for the actual case itself. You're wrong. Let's see what this is. So here we get a USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable, which is awesome because it's braided. So the first and foremost, this one is 3 feet long or 1 meter, USB Type-C to USB Type-C, and it is a braided cable. Let me get that to focus right there. There we go, a braided cable. So you definitely don't have to worry about this ripping. This is perfect for in the car, especially because you guys are getting this little car charger. You go ahead and plug that into your cigarette lighter in the car, and there you go. You're more than welcome to sit there, plug it up into your phone. Let's see that. There we go. So this is what it's gonna look like plugged into your phone. And the price on this one is only $9.99. So not expensive whatsoever for a high quality cable. It is only 1 meter, but not a big deal. That is kind of meant for your car or your office desk if you have like a little, extra charger sitting up somewhere or something. If you don't want to have a huge, super long cable for some better cable management, there you guys go. Phone Rebel's got you guys covered. Very nice, tough, braided cable. I really like to see that. So, with all that being said, guys, these are all the awesome accessories that you're going to get from Phone Rebel. Let me go ahead and set that over here. Nope, it's going to just be messy. All right, anyways, there we go. Awesome, awesome accessories from Phone Rebel. Set this up nice and clean here for you guys. There we go. Really cool. These are awesome. I really think after seeing the Ultra Orange in person, let's just take a look at that. So here you go. With this being on here, that's going to be a really cool combo with those buttons and everything. I may end up switching that here in a little while, but let me know what you think about all this down in the comments below. I'm curious, do you like to switch around your buttons? Which Phone Rebels do you have? Do you use any of them? I have all of the Phone Rebel cases, and these go on my phone pretty often. They're great cases. If I'm traveling, a Phone Rebel always comes with me because it's just a great protective case, and they look good. So let me know what you guys think about those. Make sure you like and subscribe, and if you're interested in either of the other Phone Rebel series reviews, I'll leave the Gen 5 right here and the Gen 5 Frosted right there.